There's no victory to be celebrated. We should hope, but there's no victory to be celebrated. We're still down nearly 15 million jobs, and the pandemic is getting worse, not better. And it doesn't have to. Millions of Americans are still out of work, wondering when or if their job will come back, or worried about how to pay the bills in the meantime. Trump wants to declare his health crisis over and unemployment solved. Unfortunately, he's deadly wrong on both fronts. We've already at more than 128,000 dead, and the number keeps climbing. That's a direct consequence of Donald Trump's bungled leadership and the total mismanagement of this crisis from the start. Other countries have figured out how to get the virus under control and reopen their economies and put their people safely back to work. Other leaders didn't waste time they were given from the start for stay-at-home orders. They got to work solving the root causes of this crisis, the coronavirus. Donald Trump just had given up. He's not even trying to secure the public health anymore. He'd rather go back to the campaign rallies. He's not interested in uniting us in this fight of a common threat we face. And he's decided has more to gain by dividing this country for his own political purposes. Without a uniform plan and guidance from the federal government that state and local leaders can use to inform the reopening plans, this is going to continue to be worse than it would have been otherwise. Recovery will be slower. Unemployment will stay higher than it should be. Has he even once expressed any real empathy for the families who never again be whole because of this virus? Has he done anything real to prioritize support for working Americans who need help now? We're months into this crisis, and that's still his best answer? Quit hoping for the best, Mr. President. Quit claiming victory with almost 15 million un-Americans still out of work because of the crisis. Quit ignoring the reality of this pandemic and the horrifying loss of American life. Act. Lead. Lead. Get out of the way so others can, Mr. President.